interesting.
Raise palm, eject, get ready for action. Bumper blasters. Okay, open.
And there's one in the back.
Okay.
Oh, this. I can tell. Oh, please be it. I think it's real yellow.
Wow. This was a nice color.
And we have these.
This is a robot head. Oh, there's a two of them. Two can play with that.
And we got the controllers. Look to
Oh.
this. This one goes. Look, no, this one goes straight. This one goes other side.
So you can fix this one
And
here.
like we have the controls, or you can play video. Mom, I'm going to do something. Mom, I'm going to play video games. Look,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to play something.
Yeah, just a minute. I'm gonna fix this.
Mama, look, Mama. Can I fix it for you?
Oh, here.
I got this.
Okay, we
How
take
do
it
you
out.
take off the robot?
Ready?
How do you take off the robot head?
No, just take it out. No, that one will come out. So,
My broken head. I broke it. Is that broken?
okay, fix it there. You can try.
Oh, I can go get something. The battery.
You have a
We
charger.
need the battery.
You have the charger
We
here.
need the batteries. We need the battery. What's the battery?
No, there is USB pin there.
You need batteries. Look, you need batteries. See? Controller. I'm going to get batteries. Mom, what kind of batteries do you need? They came back to the cars and then they found that we got it. And then they just found the new. Put this one. I'll put this here.
Okay.
I hate you. I don't like that. Blue.
Give me the battery.
Huh? Battery's there. Oh, man.
No, big battery, Vena.
Big battery.
Okay, this one you need AA battery.
No.
Yes, this is AA.
Which battery? Which? WA?
AA.
I don't know what's that. I want to be.
Okay. This one, put the small screw in it.
Ah! Good. Fix cars.
Okay. And they have the second remote.
Boom. Mom, actually I can turn it. See, Mama? Look, Mama, look.
Wait, let me finish this one. And then we can try to play. Okay,
Mama.
it's done.
Mama.
So now we have to get there's a screw.
Let me go look for sushi. Mom, if you're finished, tell me. I'll come.
Okay, get this one and So
I'm trying to learn how
this one needs to fix. Oh, it started to make noise.
Can we try?
Okay, so let me off first.
I'm gonna watch. Bye bye. I'm going to watch when you're done.
They have the 2 battery charge, USB, and you have. Oh, they give the pin to remove.
What?
They give the small pin. The pin is going to be removed. Open them here. So they give for USB. Okay, let me put it inside. Remove this head and put it here.
Easy. Look.
Yeah,
Click this. Click it. Click this. Click.
yeah,
Click this thing.
yeah. Which one? This one. Click it and it's jump. There is a small button and this. Okay, this face must be in the front. Okay, and then here on this side, just click and it's jump. Like this, you have to click and it's go. Give me that. So, this look cool. I love it. Okay, so let me start.
Does this work?
Let me start the button.
How about this?
That's good thing there is a 2 of them in one package.
Mom,
Yeah.
this is not working.
Okay, you have to start here in the back. So let me start this.
Where starts?
Here.
How does it?
You have to start this button.
This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. I'm like my action. I'm gonna stop.
I cannot able to handle.